Building our leadership pipeline is really important to Dentsply Sirona, and we said, okay, we need to build strong leaders for the future, and we need to do that internally.
People are looking for executive leadership, for that participation, for the guidance and the direction and the support, and so it's absolutely critical that we continue to support the developing leaders in the company.
So the value that we get from the Linkage program, it's tremendous. I mean, we were from the onset drawn to the purposeful leadership model. It really resonates with the values that we think are important in terms of developing talent, and it's really about making a leader become whole so that they can more effectively lead their teams.
The Purposeful Leadership Essentials program that Linkage has designed in partnership with Dentsply Sirona is really geared at high potential leaders. So these are people that have been nominated by their manager, they've been nominated by their peers. You are drawn to that because you love creating.
I was just absolutely so excited to be nominated by HR and to know that Dentsply is really valuing me and what I'm bringing to the organization. I'm looking around the room and I'm surrounded by amazing leaders, and the opportunity to learn from them, to share best practices.
To lead effectively, to lead with purpose and for a purpose, we need to make commitments to the people that follow us.
I'm a bit of a skeptic. I'm taking in our instructor, Alexander, and saying, is that really me? Is that really how I need to be as a leader? Well, he's not telling me how to be a leader. He's telling me that I need to consider what a leader is and what that means.
I think what he does best is kind of brings out conversation. In order to grow in this, you have to get a little vulnerable, as we've talked about. And I think that's where you truly grow, is getting out of your comfort zone.
The lever that we really pull is helping individual people become better people in the context of their work. And when we're able to do that, we can really drop the throttle on those organizational results.
Just the leadership supporting me to come into this program and believe that I'm going to make a difference inspired me to look at myself. How do I come in every day, think differently? How do I impact products, processes, associates who work here that make a difference in the quality of our product?
One of the things I picked up from the Purposeful Leadership was take time to self-reflect, to kind of sit back, kind of understand what is going well, what is not going well, where is your team struggling, are you communicating well with your team?
The number one impact that I saw was being a more thoughtful leader. So working with my team on a daily basis, I thought more about the impacts of how the things that I said and the way I interacted with them would affect their daily life.
The nice thing about this program was that you kind of got to know your cohorts on a deeper level, and they're still a terrific resource for me because now I trust that, they're challenged and they're struggling with things just like I am. And by being honest and upfront and asking for feedback and asking for help, we really can become better leaders.